Welcome back users. In today's video, we will try out the OpenMandriva Lx 4.2 Plasma installation. So let us start. I have already downloaded the OpenMandriva Lx 4.2 Plasma ISO. It is the earlier version. Right now 4.3 is the current version. So what I'm trying to do is we will install the older ISO and then try to upgrade and check whether the upgrade goes smoothly, whether the upgrade is user friendly. So let us start. So OpenMandriva is based on KDE Plasma desktop and it has not got any template in denom boxes. So if you want, you can check. There is no template. Some old templates are there. You can use them. The latest one here is the Mandriva Linux 2011. So maybe we can use that. Hit the next button. Customize, increase the RAM to 4 GB. So it will help the KDE desktop perform better, and put the maximum disk size to 25 GB. Now let us create the virtual machine. So here this is the screen of the installer, the login screen of the or the welcome screen of the installer. You got the start OpenMandriva live mode. You got the language selection, keyboard layouts, and troubleshooting. For example, this is the language settings here. So if you want, you can change the language. Default is English. You can even change the keyboard layouts if you want. And there is troubleshooting also. So you can start the OpenMandriva installer in basic graphics mode, in the command line mode, in the live mode, with ASPM off, PCI, and the NVMe APST off. So there are 4 options here. We will not go in any option. We will just start OpenMandriva Lx live mode with the 5.10 kernel. The installer takes some time to come up on the screen. Also, there is an issue with the resolution. Yeah. If I choose the perfect resolution for the screen, that is 1300 by I think 800, it will not change the resolution. Actually the resolution will stay same as is. There will be some black bars at the both left and right end. This is the welcome screen called Ohm's welcome screen. So I will minimize this. We will directly go and start the installer and do the installation of OpenMandriva 4.2. In the next video, we will try to upgrade the system. So we are greeted with the Calamus installer. So it does not choose the locale properly. Now it is okay. We'll go with this India English with rupee. We will do manual partitioning. We will go with the MBR type partitioning here because this is a virtual hard disk. So MBR is better for the virtual hard disk. Now we will create a primary partition. FAT32 mount point will be /boot with the boot flag enabled. So just didn't specify the size, so we can go with the 500 MB. It will be okay. Now we will create a swap space with around, we can go with the same, we can go with 2000 only because otherwise or we can go with 4000. Why not? The Linux swap, where is the swap flag? Yes, done, and the remaining space 19.4 GB will be your root partition with the root flag enabled. We can go with extended 2, 3, 4. Then there is NTFS, Razor, XFS, JFS, HFS, and the ButterFS. So we will stay with the extended 4. Hit the OK button. Install bootloader on the master boot record of VDA. Now again we will have to hit the next button. So GPT partition table is best option for all systems. This installer supports us setup for BIOS systems. So we will not do this because it doesn't recognize this virtual hard disk. That's why it is giving a common suggestion. Choose the same password for the administrator account. Hit the next button. Check out the summary. If its summary is okay, then you can start the install procedure. Yes, it is all okay. Now confirming the install. The installation has completed. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will try to upgrade OpenMandriva Lx 4.2 to 4.3. That is the current OpenMandriva release. See you. Bye bye.